How to sync Google Calendar on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Calendar and tap on it. You will now be taken to the Calendar Settings page. From here, you can add or remove accounts, manage Siri and search, and customize how your calendar appears. Tap on Calendar Accounts. Here, tap on Add Account in the Account section. Then, tap on Google. You will be redirected to the Google sign-in page. Enter your email or phone number. After that, tap on Next to proceed. Then, enter your password and complete the verification steps to add the account and sync your calendar. Following these steps, you can easily sync Google Calendar on an iPhone.